Welcome to FM Corner. I'm your host, Danny Koontz. I'm the Director of Relationship Management in Windy City. We're going to talk about today, it's a two-part. We will do part one today. We'll do part two next week. But we're going to talk about 7 definitions of quality. We're going to talk about quality. What's it about? What does it mean? What's important? You know, cost is often seen as being more important than quality. But at the end of the day, if you want to lower your costs, the best way to do that is have good quality. Good quality helps you over time lower your costs. You're not going back and forth. You're not having to redo something over and over. So the best way when you're looking to lower your cost is increase your quality, because over time it will pay itself back to you. Today we're going to talk about 7 definitions of quality and what that means. The first one is fit for purpose. It's a quality process or a purpose that fits what your company is about. Many companies say, yes, we'll do that, but they don't have the structure, the manpower, the whatever is needed to really pull it off. Most people are really good at this, or they're really good at that. They're not really good at this, and this. They're not. So don't take on what is not a fit for your company. Over time, that will not pay dividends. It won't. It's going to cost you money. And more often than not, it's also going to cost you a lot of frustration. The second one conforms to the requirements. In quality, you are doing everything. If you're bidding a job, if you're building a job, you're going out and remodeling a location of yours, whatever the requirements are, required by the city, required by the local municipalities, whatever those are, you're conforming them 100%. No shortcuts. No, I couldn't do it, so I just left it off. No, none of that. You conform to the requirements. That's what quality is. Third one, quality is cost. A quality product typically costs more to produce. What do you want? What is your level of expectation? Because everybody will say, I want quality. Okay, are you willing to pay for quality? Because it costs more. You have to be willing to pay for it because you see the end results of what it means over time. Next one is quality is price. What does that mean? That's the price that the consumer agrees is fair for the work that is going to be performed in what you're doing. It's almost the same as your salary. You get paid X amount of dollars, which seems to be to your employer fair for the job that you're going to deliver. Seems to be fair. That's what cost is in quality. Next one is quality is a standard. It's compliance to the best known standards. This is our standard as a company. This is our standard in our restaurants. We are going to hold to that standard every day. We're going to do it consistently, and we're going to do it without exception at every opportunity that we can. That's standard for our company. This is what we're going to do. Next one is quality is value for performance. It's the value for the price. And the last one, quality is an experience. At the end of the day, did you get what you expected? If you did, then the experience matched the quality that you received. So 7 steps: fit for purpose, conforms to the requirements, quality is cost, quality is price, quality is a standard, it is value for performance that is given, and it's an experience. Those are the 7 definitions of quality. Next week, we'll speak about the business-focused side of quality and what that entails. Be sure and listen next week as we finish our conversation about quality. Thank you very much. Look forward to speaking to you next week.